My name is Marie and I'm a knitwear and crochet content creator from Brazil. I'm super happy to be here and to introduce you guys my colorful work. I love to crochet summer clothing because I'm in Brazil and it's always kind of warm here. So I'm always coming with yarn scraps, ideas and stuff that you can make with a lot of colors. My motto is creating content in a way that everybody can make it somehow. So it's super easy to follow using very common stitches. So if you know like 3 or 2 stitches, you basically can crochet everything you want. This bucket hat here, it's pretty easy to do and you can wear everywhere and crochet with yarn scraps. I love yarn scraps. So you need a scissor, crochet hook size 4.5 millimeters, and a lot of yarn, like yarn scraps if you want to make it very colorful, or you can just grab one color like this one and crochet your whole hat with that. Basically, I'm using here circular yarn scraps from Circulo. Those are acrylic ones, but you can use cotton yarn. So we will start from here. You can crochet a magic circle or 3 chains and make a circle. Put 12 double crochets in the beginning of this circle here. I'm gonna grab the yarn. 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch, so I have like a circle. Then I will crochet 1, 2 chains, and I will double crochet inside of this circle here. So you need 12. We will count these 2 chains as a 1 stitch, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need 7 more. So we have 12 here, and I will slip stitch here in the first one, so we're gonna close the row and look like a circle like this. Now it's time to change the yarn. So I will put the yarn here. And you can now chain 2. And now in each space here of the stitch, you're gonna put 2. So we have 12. We need now 24. 1. And then the second one in the same space. And you do it till you have 24. So 24, slip stitch here, and you have like this situation here. I'm gonna change colors again. I didn't cut the first color, so I'm just putting it back. So now you need 36. You're gonna do 2 together, and you go all the way, and then you close it here with a slip stitch. 36. Looks like this. Now I have another color here, and now we're gonna make 2 together here in the same space, then 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, then you go 2 together again in the same, then 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet. You go all the way with this. So I'm gonna start a new row, and you don't have to increase anymore. You just do 1 double crochet in each space all the way. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th row, and you do it without increasing. You just go change colors if you like. Here we have, since the beginning to the top, 13 rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now we're gonna start this part here, which is increasing again, so we are almost finishing. And now each space you're gonna do 2 double crochets. 1, and then you have another one in the same spot. You basically are increasing each stitch. Now we go back to the rows that we don't increase anymore. So just grab your yarn and crochet, and you're going to do this 2 more rows, so total of 3 without increasing. And now I'm gonna finish with 1 row of single crochets. That's the last one. So in the end you have this. You just need to cut and hide this later and then you can crochet in one color or like this as well. Yay! If you want to know more about my work, just follow me on social medias and so on. So see ya!